Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. So right now I'm gonna react again to NCT LAB, and the last time I reacted to NCT LAB was Shotara, right? Connection, and also to Mark. I forgot the title of the song, but I reacted. I remember this is the third NCT LAB, so I'm so happy that there's an NCT LAB. You know, we need this subunit. Imagine NCT U, NCT 127, NCT Dream, NCT Wavy, and NCT Lab. It's so good, you know. Imagine NCT Lab is like a laboratory. You're just experimenting, and I really love that kind of position. And right now we're gonna act to Taeil Kun and Yang Yang. It's it's amazing. I really don't expect TL and Yang Yang, but you know TL and Kun are really good vocalists, and Yang Yang is a rapper, lead rapper. Main? I don't know who's the main rapper with Henry and Yang Yang, but I'm so excited to this vocals. This pairings is so good. And I know Yang Yang and Kun is just in the same group, so I always saw them. So this is a really good opportunity to see the song and the style. So this station NCT LAB U, NCT U, rainy day, rain day. So I'm so excited for it. Today's in 3 to 1, and I'm late. And go. Oh, yeah. I love black haired Yum. My bias, Kun. Kun is my bias and lady. I didn't watch the teaser yesterday. Oh, more explosion for Taeil. It's been so long. I see them. The vocals! Kun is the one who made this song, right? I don't know. Fergie. Oh my god. Yeah. This is summer, bro. Please stop. Wow. Yeah, the corgi from Sticker. Yang Yang made this rap. Please avoid the Yang Yang. Please avoid Kun and Taeil. Wow. I am done reacting. reacting to the rainy day of NCT U, NCT LAB by TL, Yang Yang, and Kun. I'm so happy that we see more exposure of Kun and TL. You know, most these people was I love Yang Yang, but I love Yang Yang in this music video so much. But imagine having NCT Dream, NCT 127, and Wavy in a set of music video. Imagine there are four people there. Imagine they put Renjun here. Renjun is more applicable on this music video. Imagine that all of the subunits and Yang Yang. Imagine, imagine it's only my thing. So, going back to the music video, I really love the music video. It's super summer. It's so calm. I really love the vocals. And I'm so happy to Kun and TL. They are least exposure on a group. If I, they are least fan than the most of the members on the subunits. And I'm so happy that Kun is here with us to see us. Kun and TL are the one of the oldest on their own subunit, right? And Yang Yang was the maknae of Baby. It's a good compliment they put Yang Yang on this vocal crash. But NCT is really good at putting vocals on vocals, and they really complement to each other because TL is something. He has this kind of timbre that is so different, which is Kun is so different also. When they put each other, it's so different. It's so good, and Yang rapping is one of the I really love on NCT. His rapping is so different from the rest of the rappers on it. Henry also, I really love her, his rapping, but Yang Yang has this kind of attack that is so classy. You know, there's something about his rapping. It's made of class, and I really love how it's complement on this song. And I'm so happy that they got the exposure. And for it, NCT LAB, I need more of this NCT U. And this rain day is just occurring right now. It's raining outside. So, guys, thank you guys for watching and hope your reaction videos. So, guys, thank you and goodbye. Yeah, yeah.